Morning. If you're watching this is World Geography. We'll call it virtual instruction update. I don't really know. So, as you all have known and heard, starting on Wednesday, we are going virtual for the rest of the semester and the first 2 weeks of next semester. As far as why, I think it's because people can't follow directions over Thanksgiving. Cases went up and they just don't want anybody getting sick. So, doesn't matter at this point. That's the decision that's made. So, what's going to happen? This week, you will have the Australia test review and test. We went over it at the beginning of last week. I'm going to upload those today. Also, you need to be getting any makeup work in. As Mr. Thompson said this morning over the announcements, you all are expected to keep doing your work and turn in your work. This is not going to end up like the spring. We're not going to pass everybody, basically. Okay? That's just not happening. It's, you get your grade you earn. Exams will still be the end of next week. Okay, 17th and 18th. If you do not have reliable internet at home, I believe they're going to bring you in for the exam. You'll come in here, you'll take your exam, you'll go home. That's my understanding. Now, that might change, that might not be right, but was my understanding of how they're planning to do it. But that's still up in the air, so as soon as I hear something, I'll let you guys know what's actually going to go. As far as live teaching, we are going to have a live Google Meet every single day starting at 10 a.m. for an hour and a half.
Are we really?
Oh, I'm not doing
good.
that. Okay. So, the plan is, I know that you guys got stuff going on at home. You may not have the great internet. You may have something else you have to do at certain times. And getting all of you on a Google Meet at the same exact time would be very difficult. So what I'm going to do is if there's something that needs to be done, or like exam review or something, I'm going to record myself doing it, or whatever, giving the video, giving the lesson, giving the review. And then I'm going to post it, just like I've done these lessons all semester. So you can watch it when you have time. Okay, does that make sense? Now, if you don't understand something, or if you want me to explain something or go over it, email me, and I'll set up a Google Meet and we can go over it. Doesn't matter. I'll do whatever. Okay? Let's see, exams, assignments, Google Meets. Attendance, it'll just go back to the way it was, A-Day, B-Days. Since you're not physically in front of me, just fill out that attendance form for me. Okay? That's the only way I'm taking attendance, not assignments, not emails. Fill out the attendance form. Am I missing anything? Anybody have any questions? Look, this isn't ideal. I wish we could finish out the semester like this, but things happen. So, there's going to be a Kahoot. I'm going to work on building that literally here in just a minute, as soon as I finish what I'm working on. So we're going to do the Kahoot in class tomorrow. Okay, that's how we're going to do exam review tomorrow. Okay. I'm also going to take the Kahoot and post it on Classroom as a work on your own time type deal. So that will be up starting tomorrow, or hopefully by the end of today, but definitely by tomorrow. There will also be, what am I missing? There will also be, your final exam review will be up and running by tomorrow. I got to work on it. And I might do a final map test at some point. Yeah, we'll have a final map test. Basically, it'll be 33 countries. It's labeled 34 because I forgot number 8, but there's only 33 questions, so that'll go up. Same as it has been. You'll have the maps, you'll make the countries, and then you'll have the quiz. So that'll be up hopefully by Wednesday. Any questions? I know it's a lot. I know it's Monday, but it is what it is. As of right now, I think there's only 2, maybe 3 people failing in this class. So y'all, for the most part, have done very well of keeping up. So keep it up, get it finished up. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. Y'all can ask me in class. Virtual kids, you can email me, leave a comment, whatever. And yeah, and when I find out stuff, I'll let you guys know. This virtual is supposed to only last until January 15th right now. So these last 2 weeks and then the first 2 weeks. School board's supposed to meet on the 12th of January to determine if we can come back on the 18th. So, questions?